comes Booba. I wonder what magic trick we'll see today.
Booba, welcome to my magic show. Today you're gonna watch a great magic trick. Here I have a napkin. I take this napkin and cover my thumb with this napkin. Okay, just like that. You see it? Here it is. Wait, stay still. You've got something behind your ear. Is that your toothpick? Oh my gosh, it's so big. Okay, then I pierce my finger. Look, but don't worry, Booba. It's just magic.
How did he do that?
Do you want to know how I did this?
Yes, please.
Okay, then sit down and watch closely. Here I have a tasty sausage. Fresh. And then I hide it behind a napkin, just like this. I wrap my finger, my thumb, on the other hand, with this napkin. I take a toothpick, pierce the sausage, like this, and then I quickly take it off and reveal my thumb. Thank you very much. Oh, you also want to show a magic trick? Okay, let's see.
Now it's Booba's turn to do the magic trick.
Wow, Booba, how did you do that? Wow. Wow, Booba, how did you do that? Booba, wow, it's a great magic trick. Thank you.
That was a great magic trick. Let's celebrate with a dance.